This internship is part of a co-op internship with the Universite of Sherbrooke. I first reached out to a professor at the university here, Barry Sanders, and he's the one that referred me to Quantum City and proposed to me the option to do an internship working on quantum computing. My first interest was really from understanding the physics and the science behind quantum computers, and the internship allowed me to get a better understanding of the field, a broader understanding of it, and I just fell in love more and more with the field as I was working in it. One of the main projects I had was working on solving optimization problem and seeing if it was possible to use a quantum computer and work on the algorithms that these quantum computer would need to use if we wanted to do an optimization problem with them, and trying to see what kind of performance we could get using these quantum algorithms. There's really a growing quantum ecosystems in Calgary, so it's really good to be part of this, and also the location of it makes it also interesting. Part of it because of the ecosystem, but also the connection with the mountains that are close to Calgary. So I think it's good to have the ability to work in quantum, but also be able to be close to the Rockies and be in a really nice environment to work. I really love skiing as well, so it's a really good place if you're into skiing or the outdoors in general. There was a conference in October called Q Connect, and I got the chance to attend this conference and get a better understanding of the field, trying to see what was the current state of the technology in quantum computing and in quantum in general. So I think this was really something that made a big impact on my understanding of where the field is currently at and the kind of challenges that we are facing if we want to one day make quantum useful for real-world application. I think everyone, if they have the opportunity, they should definitely do an internship here at Quantum City. It's such a good way to have a better understanding of the field, meet some really interesting people, and to develop your research skill. So yeah, I definitely recommend it.